Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most thrilling sports cars on the planet, the 2025 Porsche 718 Cayman. From its razor-sharp handling to its iconic flat-six soundtrack, this car shows exactly why Porsche still rules the driver's world. So sit back, relax, and let's explore what makes the 718 Cayman so special. And before we start, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more videos like this. With its howling flat-six engine, engaging manual gearbox, and athletic chassis, the Porsche 718 Cayman is designed for purists who crave the raw, emotional driving experience that built the Porsche legend. For those seeking a tamer option, the lineup also offers two turbocharged flat-four engines, producing 300 and 350 horsepower, paired with either a slick 6-speed manual or an optional 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. While the four cylinders deliver impressive performance, they can't match the thrilling soundtrack or soul of the naturally aspirated flat-six engines in the 394 horsepower GTS 4.0 and the 493 horsepower GT4 RS. Even so, every Cayman variant rewards its driver with superb steering precision, impeccable balance, and extraordinary handling, thanks to its mid-engine layout and Porsche's unparalleled chassis tuning expertise. Inside, the cockpit wraps around the driver like a racing suit. The gear shifter, pedals, and steering wheel are perfectly positioned for an immersive experience. Despite its focus on driving purity, the Cayman includes modern comforts such as a touchscreen infotainment system, heated seats, cruise control, an 8-speaker audio setup, and Apple CarPlay. The Cayman and its convertible sibling, the 718 Boxster, remain fixtures on the 10 best list for 2025, and for good reason. Porsche offers several engine options for the Cayman. The base model comes with a 300 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter flat-four, while the S version gets a 350 horsepower 2.5-liter turbo flat-four. Both are brisk, though the smaller engines lack the satisfying growl enthusiasts expect. That's where the 4.0-liter naturally aspirated flat-six steps in, delivering 394 horsepower in the GTS 4.0 and 493 in the GT4 RS, accompanied by an intoxicating exhaust note. Every Cayman includes one of the finest 6-speed manuals on the market, though the quick-shifting 7-speed PDK automatic with paddle shifters is also available. The Cayman's chassis is exceptional, responsive, balanced, and confidence-inspiring. Credit goes to its mid-engine design, sticky tires, and brilliant suspension setup, which together create outstanding grip and poise on winding roads. The result is a sports car that blends razor-sharp agility with long-distance comfort. Performance varies from fast to ferocious. The base Cayman with the manual gearbox hits 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds. The GTS 4.0 does it in 3.9 seconds. And the GT4 RS rockets there in just 2.8 seconds with its standard PDK transmission. Fuel economy is respectable for its performance class. The base Cayman earns up to 21 miles per gallon city and 27 miles per gallon highway, while the S model achieves 19 over 25 miles per gallon automatic. The manual GT4 returns 23 miles per gallon. In real-world testing, both the base and S variants reached an impressive 32 miles per gallon on the highway. The interior feels tight, purposeful, and driver-focused. The seats are supportive, the gauge is clear, and the controls intuitive. Some hard plastics and numerous buttons detract slightly from the premium feel, though Porsche offers nearly every surface in leather for a price. Cargo space is surprisingly practical, with both a front trunk and rear hatch area, combining to rival other cars in its class. 2 carry-ons fit in the back and 2 more in the front, though the sloped hatch favors soft luggage. Every Cayman includes a responsive touchscreen infotainment interface. Navigation and Wi-Fi are optional extras, but Apple CarPlay is standard. Android Auto remains absent. For audiophiles, Porsche offers optional Bose and Burmester sound systems, the latter boasting 12 speakers and 821 watts. Standard safety equipment includes front and rear parking sensors, while available driver aids include adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring. For crash test data, consult the NHTSA and IIHS websites. In all, the 2025 Porsche 718 Cayman continues to define what a true sports car should be: precise, balanced, and endlessly rewarding to drive. And that wraps up our look at the Porsche 718 Cayman, a perfect blend of precision, power, and Porsche passion. What do you think about it? Would you go for the GTS 4.0 or the GT4 RS? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more exciting car reviews and automotive content.